Whoopsies! Holy Toledo. Dude.
Oh, bless America.
Shout out to my cameraman, Miles to the Wild. Go check out his channel, link in the description and the comments. He was the reason why we were able to do this 360 thing, and he was also the reason why it filmed a 9x16 in the first round. What's this? So we had to redo the whole thing, but that's gonna do it for now. See you later. For now, thanks for watching. This was an entirely thought up lifelong dream since 2 days ago. So we're gonna go ahead and park it until I have the money to fix it, because as you know, this thing ate the entire board and took rubber and turned it into literal baking chips. Dude, look at this. It completely concaved it. There's rubber everywhere. It's almost, this stuff's soft. The other stuff was chunky and like, these are potato chips. So there's basically nothing left of either of these tires. So you can see this one's actually cracking. That's crazy. So the tires are shot. The motor did not like to be ran at high RPMs for a long time, even though I wasn't pegged all the way out for most of it. It kind of blocked, and it was also jerking. I think I could have used to tighten the strap down a little bit in the rear, but every time I would sit on it, keep it from bouncing, it would grab too much, because these things, when they get hot, it's like a prep track for pro mods. So yeah, that's it for now. Stay tuned till the next video. We got a couple things coming for the mower. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all in the next one. Whoopsies! Hold on, I just jumped the gun. I'm hanging off the freaking front. Oh God. Ow. My leg hurts. Ow.
I got that on camera.
Thank God it didn't break anything. Oh God. All right, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. That's it, I'm done. You can turn the 360 off. Oh God. Oh, my leg. Oh, my leg. My freaking leg. Ah.